First, turn on the machine's power. SV sets the machine temperature. PV represents the actual temperature of the machine. Set button for settings, mode adjustment button. The left arrow is the displacement button. The down arrow is the decrease button. Up arrow is the value increment button. For more details, take a look at this image. After powering on, press the Set button to enter step settings. Set the step to 1. Press Set to save, then use the arrow keys to set the step temperature. After setting the temperature, press the Set button to enter the time setting. Then set the temperature and time for the second step. Set the number of steps required based on your needs, with a maximum of 30 steps available. After completing the setup steps, press the Set and Displacement keys simultaneously to save. After successful completion, return to the main interface to begin work. Upon completion of the task, the CNC display screen will flash.